Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving over Flatbridge and we are going to go through an article about why we need to replace Flatbridge. Now this is the Bogwalk Gorge and that river to the right is the Rio Cobre. And this gorge connects Kingston to the north coast. Very popular route, and to use this gorge you have to go over this bridge. Flatbridge is probably the oldest bridge in Jamaica and could be the oldest bridge in the Caribbean. It was built centuries ago, hundreds of years ago, and it's still in use, a single lane bridge for a major thoroughfare. So, guys, what do you think? Do you think it's time that the government replaces this bridge? They need to put in a new bridge. Now, where we are, you could build a bridge because there's so much space going straight across the Rio Cobre. Right here, just build it straight across going to the other side. That way you avoid Flatbridge completely. I wonder if there's any other Caribbean country or country that uses a single lane bridge with no rails in the year 2025 for a major thoroughfare. Now, Jamaica has built highways from one end of the island to the other. They've built towering buildings. I'm just amazed that Flatbridge hasn't been replaced yet. Guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Flatbridge, located in the parish of St. Catherine, is one of Jamaica's most recognized and historically significant road structures, and also one of the most dangerous. Stretching across the Rio Cobre in the scenic Bogwalk Gorge, the bridge serves as a key link between Kingston and Jamaica's northern and central parishes. But despite its importance, Flatbridge has gained a reputation for being treacherous, especially during periods of heavy rainfall and flooding. The bridge dates back to the late 1700s or early 1800s when it was constructed during the British colonial period to facilitate transportation of goods between inland plantations and coastal ports. It is widely believed that the bridge was built by enslaved Africans, many of whom lost their lives due to the dangerous working conditions and powerful currents of the river below. The structure was originally supported by wooden beams and later reinforced with iron and concrete, but its basic flat, narrow design has remained largely unchanged for over 2 centuries. Flatbridge is especially hazardous because it is a single-lane bridge without guardrails. Vehicles must take turns crossing, often relying on a driver's patience and courtesy. The absence of protective barriers means that any misjudgment or loss of control can result in a vehicle plunging into the river. Over the years, multiple accidents have occurred, some fatal as drivers underestimated the risks, particularly during bad weather. Another major danger is flooding. The Rio Cobre is prone to rising rapidly during storms, and when it does, Flatbridge often becomes completely submerged. The government routinely closes the gorge during these times, but drivers caught unaware may still attempt to cross, risking their lives in swift, muddy waters. The force of the river has even swept away vehicles in the past. Despite its dangers, Flatbridge remains in use due to its strategic location. There have been long-standing calls for a safer alternative, such as a bypass or a new elevated bridge, but no permanent solution has yet been implemented. Authorities have introduced flood warning systems and electronic gates to prevent access during unsafe conditions, and there is ongoing discussion about a long-term infrastructure fix. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.
you.